Hello guys, good afternoon. So today we're going to design a 3D model, like a simple 3D models by using Autodesk Inventor software. So here I have already opened the software here, the Autodesk Inventor Professional 2020 version. But if you guys are currently using the newest version, I think it's a lot better because they have provided a lot more features in that newest versions. So yeah, you don't have to worry. And now I have already opened the model that we are going to design here. Basically, this is a model back when I was in college, a 3D a technical drawing module in my campus. So we're going to design all these four parts. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first things that we have to do is just like to make a project here. So if you don't know how to make a project, then you can click the projects here and then click new, and you can choose between these two options here. I guess I'm usually using the first options because it's just like by default. And next you can like it's up to you to select the name of the project, and then you can here you can save the project, all the files that you're designing right now, and what and whatever folder that you were going to save it in, and then you can click next and then finish. Okay, once you finish, and it will automatically show you the your project, and there are the checklists here. And yeah, since I have made my project here, the rehearsal first, so I'm going to use that in this particular video. Okay, done with the project, and then after that you can select the new here, making the new files. So basically Autodesk Inventor provides like basically three types of documents. The first one is part is basically a small pieces of a whole system in your mechanical design. So parts basically is just like the small things, and when you combine all of the parts, it will automatically become the assembly here. We can use the assembly by when we are going to combine the parts, and then after we finish to design the parts and the assembly, and then we can make our technical drawing by using these files here. So today, since like the design here, the fourth design here is pretty simple, so we're only using the parts, and then I'm usually using the standard because it's in SI unit. I'm pretty familiar with the SI unit instead of like the Brit in English units. So okay, let's select the standard and create. Okay, this is like the interface of Autodesk Inventor. So here, and wait, hold on. Okay, so first thing first, we need to make a sketch. Okay, in order to build the 3D drawings, we need to make a sketch here. And don't forget to make sure that you're selecting the right option here, this start 2D sketch. And you are going to be shown a like three plane here, and you're going to select, it's up to you. You're going to select which planes are you going to start with. So since we're going to design this part here, and I think like I'm going to consider this is like the front view, and this is like the top view, this is the left view, this is going to be the right view, and the bottom view is right here. And so I'm going to start with this design here, and like select this plane, and let's start with the design. Okay, I guess I'm going to to zoom it in a little. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. All right, so this is our design here, and it consists of like many features here, but don't worry, it's simple. First, we are going to make a rectangle, so rectangle, and with the fillet here and the in the hole here. Okay, a rectangle. So select the rectangle, and then select the dimension. The dimension, the length of the rectangle is 80. and then the width is 80 as well. And since, like, as you can see here, our line here is blue line, means like your sketch or your design is not constrained. So we need to constrain the design, because if you don't constrain the design, like the sketch, it will, look at this, it will going to be movable. So we don't need that. So we need to constrain it by using this constraint feature. So first is like vertical constraint, sorry, vertical constraint. And okay, the name is vertical constraint, but it depends on the line here. As you can see, I guess you can see in the screen, it has like when you selecting, like when you you're moving the cursor around, it could be like in lines or things, it will show you the dot line, some small dot lines here, and then it's in horizontal line, but the name is vertical line, so it depends on the lines here. So we're going to select the here the green dot, it means like the center between these uh, in this line. Okay, we're going to select this, and we're going to make this okay, we're going to constrain this vertical constraint. that that is how we constrain the in this design. Okay, and then switch with the horizontal constraint and select the center part, and then it will automatically turn into black lines, so it means like your sketch is constrained, and it will be okay, for the rest of the design. And then we're going to use the fillet here, fillet, and look at this, the radius of the fillet here is 20. So you can type 20 and then start to, sorry, again, fillet here. I guess we were going to start with this and this fillet, and that's okay. And then with the same center, we're going to make a hole here, and the hole, it says two holes with the diameter of 10. Okay, the diameters of the holes is 10, so type 10, and then here as well 10. It's done. Okay, okay, I guess there's nothing we can do right now, and yeah, we're going to move to the 3D model. Okay, finish the sketch, and then it will automatically move to the 3D model tab, and we have a lot of features here. But in order to make a whole body like this, we need the extrude. It's just like this, like we drawn the profile and making a whole body. And the width here, the thickness is somehow 12. Okay, so we're selecting 12 here, and yeah, and click done. Once you're done with it. Okay, okay, it's pretty nice design. And then we're going to continue to make this profile at the bottom. Okay, by selecting here, like we can look at this, the origins. It consists of, in the origin folder here, it consists of a lot of planes here. We have xyz, yz plane, xz plane, and xy plane. But you can also select the profile, like the surface, as your plane. Okay, so I'm going to use this surface as the plane to make a sketch. Okay, and then we select this to create the sketch at the bottom, and then we start to make the sketch for here, for the bottom part. And I guess this is like something, basically this is a rectangle with the distance from here to here is the diameter of this curve, of this half circular here. So the circle somehow has a 30 millimeters radius, so that means the diameter of the circle is 60. Okay, so we're going to make a here rectangle, and the width or the distance between here to here is the same as here to here, and we're going to type 60 because somehow the distance is 60. Okay, and then we constrain again. We can use the horizontal constraint and make sure, and all done. And then the distance from here to here is within this uh, design here, 12 per 65 plus the radius of this circle. Okay, and then so yeah, it's 12 plus 65 plus 30 is going to be the distance between here to here, and click enter, and I guess this is it. And we're going to start with the, I guess it's not fillet. Okay, we can make our circle here is 30 60. Okay, and then we are going to constrain it and use this constraint to tangent the line here between this the circle and the line here, and we can use trim features, trim this and this sorry, uh, this, and then maybe we can delete this, and we can trim this part as well, and then we have to reconstrain the features because somehow the line is in blue because here it's movable. Okay, the vertical, okay, here is, and then we're going to and then the width. Okay, it's all constrained right now, and I guess wait. Okay, I guess the hole is from the bottom, right? From the bottom. I mean, like at the bottom part, it will going to show you the like the hole. Okay, the hole. So we're going to make a hole here, and with the diameters of, look at this. Here is the 25 diameters, 25 millimeters in diameters, and then I guess we're done. Okay, and then finish the sketch and select the extrude features and select it, and we're going to move it upward. Okay, but don't forget the boolean is join, because here is cut. What happens if cuts, it will going to cut the last, our previous feet, our previous body, so we don't need that, like that's what, that's not what we are going to make. Okay, so we select the join instead, and okay, finish, and make sure the thickness is the same. Here the thickness is 10, so it's 10. Okay, and click OK. So you're probably wondering because it doesn't look the same, because here we have like curved here, slightly curved here, and we don't have something like this in here. So we can use the 3D, in the 3D model tab, we can use the fillet here, and we select the edge here and here. Okay, and the radius is here, it says 15. So it will show you the same thing like this. Okay, and click apply and cancel. Okay, I guess it's all done right now, and then we're going to make a here, yeah, a sketch here, and then use this here, project geometry, but here, and select here is a construction line. Construction line is the lines that that will not be the construction line is not going to bother you when you're making the 3D model. Okay, so select the construction line and then project geometry, and we're going to make, and then deselect the construction line, and then here we're going to make a, sorry, a circle here. It says here the diameter is 40. Okay, 40, and we're going to select the circle as well here, and then go back to the 3D model, and then we select it and we extrude it, and look at this, the height, it's uh I guess it's not written here. So okay, it's here. It's 30. Okay, so the height of this hole here is 30, and click OK. Okay, we're finished to make the hole here, and then this center part is how to make that. We can, like we can use the plane here. It's the, like the center plane here, and then we can make a our sketch here, and then press the F7. F7 is going to, like cut the body. It will show you the center plane, and we're going to select the project geometry and select the construction line here, and we're going to select these things in here, and I guess it's all done. And yeah, and then we can make line from here to here. Sorry, we're going to make an arch. Says here it's with the radius of 50, or we can make a circle with the radius of 50. So the radius of 50 means like the diameters of 100. Okay, 100, and sorry, we deselect the construction line, and then we're going to tangent between this to this to this. Sorry. Okay, we're going to use this as well. What is this? Okay, this to this. Okay, we're once we finish with the design, I guess we are finished, and then we can use the trim feature here. Trim. Okay, we have the line here, and we're going to select the project geometry again, but we can deselect the construction. We select this line, this again, this. Okay, and then we can select the finish sketch and the 3D model, and we select the, oh, there's no features here. I guess we have to add it, and then F7 and select it again. Okay, let's check it again. The 3D model. Oh, still. Okay, add it again. I guess we cannot use that feature, like use the project geometry, but instead we are going to use this line. Okay. Okay, select this dot here to here, and then from here to here, here to here. Okay, all done. And then we move to the 3D model and extrude, and we're going to make a symmetric, and look at this, the thickness is 10, so I guess this is right. Okay, all done. So this is the design that we have. Okay, it's all the same with these features, and here we have a fillet here. It means like a fillet, but they don't, like they don't show you like the radius of the fillet, but I guess it's okay. We can make a fillet, I guess it's the radius is somehow like just only 2 millimeters, and here, three parts, these edges here, and okay, we select apply and cancel. Okay, we are finished with our first design. Okay. Okay, so this is it. So we can save the file, and we can name the file. Okay, the part. Okay, part. This is going to be the part one. Save. And then, okay, once we finish, and then we start to move with the second design here, and control new on your keyboard, or you can simply select the new here, okay, and select the standard as well, and click create. And then like the previous one, we select the start the 2D sketch here, and I will consider that this is the front. Okay, this is going to be the front, and this is going to be the right side, or it could be like, I'm sorry, this is the front side, this is the right side. Okay, it's pretty simple design. So we're going to make a, like a box here, a box, or I could make, no, I would like to make a box. Yeah, it's just like a box here. All right, so I guess this is the plane, and select the rectangle, and the dimension here, it's 75, and the height is 32. Click enter, and we constrain, look at the like the dot lines here, so it's vertical here. Select the center part, center line, and then we have our rectangle here, and then we select the extrude again, and I'm going to use the symmetric because it's just like symmetric. I'm okay with that. And the width here, distance from here to here, is 50, so we change the distance into 50 millimeters and click OK. We finished making a box here, and we have our features here, but it will going to be easy to design at this side. Okay, from here I will make a sketch again, and then start to make a design here. And I guess it's first thing first is project geometry. Okay, and then we can select the no, just click on the profile, and then we're going to select the line here. So the distance from here to here, we don't know, but we can make the distance from here to here is 12. 12, pass on this here, and then at the top side is 24. Okay, 24. Click enter, and we're going to constrain to make it parallel here and here. It's already parallel, and we're going to vertical constraint between this center and this center, and it's ready. And then the okay, the distance from the top part at the bottom is 56. So we're done, and we select the line here, making a line here to here. Okay, I guess this is right, and then we finish, and we can make it extrude, and the directions, we flip the directions, and do, like distance from this to this is, oh, I guess I did something wrong. It seems like, yeah, it seems right. Seems, oh, no, sorry, I guess it's because the line here is looks like this, like it's just parallel. So I made a mistake, guys. I'm sorry. We have to edit the sketch here instead of using this line. So basically, oh yeah, I guess this is right. Yeah, it's right. It's all right. Extrude, and here is, or I guess I made a mistake. Wait, guys. This is the, yeah, because the line here is parallel, like they're the same direction. So I guess this is not like this. This is not it. Yeah, I made a mistake. Okay. So basically it's 24. Okay, but we don't need this. We don't need this. We can delete the constraint and we can move it here. And we have to select that this is vertical constraint by the end part. And then we can make a line here. And then we can select the line here as well. So I guess this is it. This is how it looks. And then we can start to extrude the profile and then flip the directions and then the width, like the distance is 24. 24, yeah. I guess this is it. This is how it looks. This is how it's supposed to be. Okay. And then we have to make this profile like it's triangle, but the flip triangle. We select this surface and make a sketch here, and then don't forget to make the project geometry here. Select this, and then we're going to make a triangle. Okay, or we can make a triangle here, right here. From here is in polygon, but I guess I'm going to be okay with the line. It's only using the lines here, and then the okay, select this, and then the dimensions here from here to here is 9. Okay, so you can see here is 9. Here to here is 9 as well. So we are already make the, like the line here, and then we can select this right here to here to here, and then we're going to constrain the here to here so that it will make the perfect triangle. And then the dimension from here to here is somehow 16. Okay, 16, and here we are. And we finished to make the profile, and then we can extrude it, the profile, and we're going to flip and make sure that this is the cut. Okay, because we're going to cut the body, this body here. And then it's the length of the cutting part is 36, so here is 36, and select. Okay, so this is the design, this is the model here, right here. So we already finished the second 3D model. All right, and then click save, and this is going to be the part 2. It's simple. Okay, and then we're going to start to move to this right here and control new. I'm so sorry. Okay, click on this, control new, and select the standard part. And to start with, start the 2D sketch. This is going to be the front view. Here is the front view. Okay. First things that we are going to make is the triangle. It looks like it's trapezium, like something like this. I'm going to show you how to make it. Something looks like this. Okay, so it will. We're going to start with this distance here, 75. 75. Okay, click enter, and then right here is 50. As you can see there, here 50, and and then we have our line here as 12. Okay, 12, and this. Okay, this is like trapezium, and then we have to constrain our sketch here to, I'm sorry, here to here, and then here, here. Okay, it's all done, and we can start to make our 3D model by using the extrude features, and then I'm going to use the symmetric, and then the distance from here to here is 63, and then click OK. So we have already finished our base model here, and so this is like the extrude, but it's cut. Okay, cut extrude. This is the cut extrude. This is the extrude, you know. And okay, um, first we are going to make this cut here. Okay, I guess it's much simple to make it in here, and select the project geometry. This is like the right side. Okay, okay. uh, Project geometry, select the H, and we're gonna make a triangle here. Triangle, and start with the dimension here. The dimension is 75 minus 25 and 25. It will going to be 25. All right, 25, and the width of this triangle is 15. Okay, 15. Wow, 75. Wait, minus 25 minus 25. It's 25. Yeah, 15 and 25. Wow. Okay. And then we are going to constrain this part here, 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 and it's all done. And we can select the 3D features and select this, and we're going to cut it to cut. Okay, and you can like freely move this feature because it will cut the our design, our previous model, and select OK. And we have finished to make the cutting part. Okay, and then we're going to make this cut right here, and by selecting this surface and creating a design, and don't forget to select the project geometry here, and okay, by this is basically a triangle as well, a triangle, and we're going to make a dimension here. So the here is 12, and then here is basically 63 minus 22 minus 22. Okay, 63 minus 22 minus 22. Okay, it's 19, and we're going to constrain here with the center, and then start with the extrude, and again we can cut this and freely move these features. Okay, and select OK, press OK. I guess this is like the hardest part to make, right? So in order to make that, I have several methods. Like yeah, I guess I have several method how to make that. Okay, first is I guess this is the simplest one. We're going to make this sketch right at the bottom, and then we're going to make a, because since it looks like, you see here, it just like a a triangle. I guess it's right here, and with dimension is 25 here, and 25, and the they sorry, they don't provide the like the 25. I guess this is hmm. Okay, they don't give us the dimensions from here to here. So I guess it's like, yeah, it's up to us. I guess it's 30. Okay. And okay, 35 would be okay. 35, and then are we're trying to move it right here. And so by this, okay, here to here is 19. Okay, here to here is 19, and okay, from here to here, I guess this is like the same line. So this is 22, and this is 15. Okay, 22, and this is 15. So it's supposed to be 7. 19, 25 plus 22, 19 plus 19 plus wait, hold on guys, 19 plus 25 plus 22. Okay, guess, okay, I guess this is right. 19, and from here to here they don't give us the specific. Okay, they already give us 12. It's 12 here. Here to here is 12. So this is it, and then we can finish the sketch and start to extrude here, and we can go up there. But you know we can select this here, join, and then the here, like the distance, we can to profile here. No. Okay, I guess this is wrong. This is wrong. We don't have to select distance, and yeah, this is how it looks. Okay. Oh, it has to be 16. So here is, it has to be 16. 16 plus whatever it is. Mm. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. Let's check it out. It has to be 16 right here, so we can inspect, measure. How is this? It's 16.670, and I guess this is not acceptable since we are going to make this at 16. So this is wrong, guys. I'm sorry. So we need to delete that. But don't worry, I have another options how to deal with this by selecting. Look at this origin here, and we're going to select the center part here. Okay, we're going to make a new sketch, and don't forget to press the F8 to like F7, I'm sorry, to cut it into the center, in the center. And here we have our design here, our plane here, and select the project geometry right here, or okay, without, that's okay. And after we selecting this file, and then we then start to make our design here, 16, and here it's okay, 16, okay, 16, and here to here is going to be 12, right? 12, and 12, here 12, and then from here is 12 and this is 16. Okay, I guess this is it. And then go to 3D model and extrude and symmetric. Don't forget to use the symmetric. And the distance is 25, 25, and all done. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look. Okay, so we can inspect, we can measure it and inspect. This is like 16, the exact 16, and from here to here is 12 millimeters. So this is the right method of how we deal with this design. Okay, so I guess this is it. This is the right design. We already make the design right here. Okay, and click save, and this is going to be the part 3. Click OK, and the last part here we have something here, something like this. Okay, and click Control New and click the standard. Okay, so in order to make this profile, this 3D model, there are several methods, I guess, and the simplest things that we can make is wait, hold on, guys. Let me think like the easiest way. Okay. Okay, I guess it's we're going to make it simple and simple manner. Okay, so this is going to be the front. Okay, the front. Front, this is the top, bottom, this is the right side, left side. Okay, start with from here. I'm going to start with the bottom part. Okay, the bottom part is basically a triangle. A triangle, and the dimensions here we have 125. It's kind of like large dimensions, 125, and from here to here x 125, here to here is 62 plus 12. All right, 62 plus 12. Click enter, and then we constrain the design, our design here, and here to here, here to here, and 125. So this is the top part, this is the top part, top, this is the front. Okay, okay, this is going to be the top side. Okay, so we're going to make a like circle here, circle, and this circle right here. Okay, the dimensions, like the diameter of this circle is 2 holes with the diameter of 15. Okay, so this is 15, and this circle right here is 15 as well. And the dimension from here to here is 15, and as well as from this to this is 15. 15. Okay, we've done with the first circle, and then selecting the second one. Here to here is 15. Okay, 15. But because of here to here is basically the 15 plus 12. Okay, 15 plus 12. 15 plus 12. Click enter, and yeah, this is the other circle, and then we extrude the part up. Okay, the thickness is 12 here. Select 12 and click OK, and I guess we finish our first model. And then we're going to select the here, right here, and we're going to make a sketch at the at the behind, in the back side, and project geometry and select the here, and then we can start making our design by first rectangle. It's rectangle. The here is 125, and here to here, look at this, is 12. Okay, 12. So basically here to here is 12. 12, and from here to here, like here to here is 62. Click enter, and then we're going to select this. So this is all constrained right now, and the fillet, we're going to use the fillet here. The radius here, look at this, is 10. So we'll select 10 here to here, selecting here to here. So we're done making our fillet here, and then continue to make a circle here. Circle, we've got two circle actually, two circle, the first circle and the second circle, and the diamonds in the first circle is okay, two holes with diameter of 12. So this is 12, this is 12. Okay, 12 and 12, 12 and 12, and the here is the hole here is right here, and the dimension here from here to here is 12. I mean like 20. Click enter, and then from here to the top part is 30. Click enter. We finish with the our first circle, and here to here is 12, 20. Okay, 20, and from here to the bottom part, like here, the bottom right here is 30. Okay, so you can see here is 30 from here to here. Here to here is 30. And 20 is from here to here, like this. Okay, I guess we finished with the circle, and we can start to extrude the part. Okay, start with extrude the part, select the profile, and we can flip. But don't use the cut here, but join. And then remember the thickness here is 12. So 12, click enter, and okay. So we finished making our second profile. So here the first profile, the first body and the second body. I mean like it's all and in the same body here, but okay. This is the first move and this second move, and we're here we're going to make something like this. I guess it's pretty simple. Okay, we're going to use this profile here, and we're going to start to design, making our design here, and by using the rectangle. So it consists of two pieces of rectangle here, two pieces of rectangle here. Okay, the dimension here is here to here is 20. Sorry, boy. Okay, here. Okay, so here we can use a line here to make it center. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Delete right here, and we can select this, say this, and we can wait. I guess there's something wrong. Delete. Okay. Okay, delete right here. Okay. The dimension here is 12. 12, and this is 12 as well, and the here is the dimension is 15. Here is 15 as well, and okay, guess we can make our using this. Oh my goodness. So basically I'm going to delete this part, and we're going to make another rectangle right here with the same dimension. Here is 15, and we're going to select making a line between connecting this to profile and making it as construction, and use this constraint. Sorry, here, and then this in between. I mean, oh my goodness. Here is here's dimension from here to here is 20. What is this? No, don't need that. Okay, and it's movable right here, and we're going to make our constraint line and use this to make it center. Okay, so we finished the sketch and extrude it again. Select this to profile, and then to selecting the face here to here. Okay, we don't have to input the distance, but instead we select this here. 2, it means like, okay, we are going to extrude to what kind of surface. So we select this surface. Click OK, and this is it. This is how it looks. And the last one is here. Okay, here is the at the, like the center. Okay, we're going to select our our plane here, and we're going to make a design here. Don't forget to press the F7. Okay, and project geometry, construction line. We're going to need we need this line here, and making our line, not construction, here to here, whatever you want, and then make a dimension here. It says it's 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. Okay, but that's okay. I mean, like, it doesn't have to be precisely intersect with this line, or we can make it that way. So basically we have two types of how we deal with this, but I'm going to use a new method. Like, normally we're going to make a triangle here, from here to here to here, and then we start to extrude. But now I'm not going to use that feature, because we did a lot of we are using a lot of extrude features. I mean, like, it's okay, but I'm going to show you how to use rip right here. Okay, it doesn't have to be all triangle profile, but instead we're going to have a line right here. So it's supposed to be from here to here. It doesn't have to be intersect with this. Okay, you can I mean, like, you can drag it here. Okay, as long as the line will intersect, like the extended part of this line is going to intersect with this features, I think that's okay. So in order to use the rib features, okay, so suppose I have here, okay, I have my dimension here from here to here, and with the angle 30 degree, and the line here is going to make a if I extended this line right here is going to intersect with this line. Okay, I guess this okay, and then we're going to use rip and select this, and parallel to sketch here. Okay, and the thickness, selecting the thickness here, the thickness is 12, so we're selecting 12 and click OK. And this is it. This is how it looks. And then there's something here, like, here is basically it's like how they how people usually showing this connection right here, or we can make a fillet right here and making it right, I guess 10. Okay, 10, and click up OK. Okay, it's simple, and it's all done right here, and yeah, this is how it looks. This is how it done. And click save, and this is going to be the part 4. So, okay, we already finished making all of the four solid model here. So I guess this is it right now for me. And we're going to continue to make another 3D model right here as much as I can. Okay. So hope you guys enjoy it and see you again.